Daily SDRT. Subscribe now.
Subscribe now.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we'll be talking about NBA YoungBoy. So yesterday, YoungBoy had his court hearing for his house arrest status, stuff like that. And the verdict, they never said it. So if they never said a verdict, he was gonna remain on house arrest until the verdict is said. But it was being said how it might be said today or maybe even next week. But it turns out how the verdict might take longer than that, maybe even a couple of months. So here's Lawyer for Workers giving the latest update on what happened.
Previously, the district judge in Louisiana had ruled in YoungBoy's favor. She issued a ruling finding the police in Baton Rouge illegally searched and seized SD cards, cameras, and they got a bunch of pictures and videos that they want to use against YoungBoy. But the judge ruled that because this was illegally searched and seized, you can't use any of it. After that ruling, the case would have been over, but the government appealed. And they said, hang on, let's get the appeals court to take a look at it. Today, that's what was going on. They were in front of the appeals court arguing whether or not this evidence can be allowed. And the important here, and the judge remarked on this, and she pointed at the governor. She's like, yo, you guys bought Solicitor General's office from Washington, D.C. here to argue this case. This isn't the local U.S. Attorney's office. Are you here, sir? Because what we rule here today is going to have far-reaching ramifications that if we rule all of a sudden that rights were violated and this was illegally searched and seized, but nevertheless, because of certain legal issues, he's not allowed to challenge it, and so we're going to go ahead and let the government use this evidence. If we do that, that's going to have huge, far-reaching impacts. It's going to be a big decision. That's going to reverberate in criminal courtrooms throughout this country for all time. This is a constitutional law issue. And she mentioned that. She put that out there. And so with all that said, when do I think a decision will come out? I think it's going to take at least a couple of months. And what do I think the decision will be? I'll do a part 2 video where we talk more about exactly what the arguments were on each side and what I thought was the key issue in resolving this.
So that's what Lawyer for Workers had to say. That was the latest update. And as you guys heard in the last part of the clip, he said how he thinks a decision will be made in the next couple of months. So until then, YoungBoy's still going to have to remain on house arrest. There was some hope how maybe yesterday they would take him off of it, but who knows? The decision was supposed to be said today, maybe even next week, but now it's looking like maybe it might take even a couple of more months. How do you guys feel about this? Do you guys think this is good news or bad news for YoungBoy? And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thanks for watching.